Hello, hello. Welcome to African Travel and More. I'm your host, Yolanda McCarty, and today I'm going to provide those 10 criteria for acquiring free land in Ghana, West Africa. Yes, as promised, I will show you the criteria for acquiring the land and provide the website with the application process and all of that good stuff. I know a lot of people, it was kind of crazy because on my Facebook post, I got a lot of, I shook the crazy free. But that's going to be for a different discussion. My husband's going to come on and talk about some of the stuff that was said on our post because we didn't appreciate it. But anyways, that's not what we're talking about today. That's for a different space and place. So get ready for the 10 criteria for accepting free land in Ghana, West Africa. Yes, here we go. Hey fam, I know once you get that website, you want to go to the website and check it out. But listen, hang on until the end. I'm going to explain each of the criteria and give you a little feedback on that. So you want to stick around so you don't miss anything that's important or crucial. So the 10 criteria for the qualification or the acquiring of the free land in Ghana was established by the Pan-African Village, and it is the first step in the initial screening process for the land acquisition. Now, number one in the 10 criteria is that you must be African through biological family ancestry and genealogy. So if you've done the tests like through ancestry.com or 23andMe, I think is one, that would be a way to show your ancestry to them. Number two, complete the Living in Ghana orientation. And it's a 30-day residential program offered at the Pan-African Village in Asebu. And just check it out on the website. The website is laid out quite well, and they give descriptions and list everything that you need to know about their 30-day residential program. I really think it's quite interesting, especially if you have never visited the continent, visit the country of Ghana. They are going to take care of you. Number three, they do want you to present a current police report or background check with government identification to them. I guess when you come or prior to coming, we'll get into the application at the end of the criteria. Number four, participate in local community benefits or local school development. Now, this is my area of expertise. For years, I've supported the local schools in the northern region of Ghana. And whereas every time I go, I'm taking school supplies, but it's part of my nonprofit, and it's easy to do. And when you go, you're going to want to be a part of a community that embraces you and they appreciate you. So that will be super easy to do. Now, number five, respect the culture and the people of the culture, the people of Asebu. and abide by all of the laws in Ghana. That's not too difficult now. Number 6, reside in a Asebu traditional area for at least 2 weeks every 2 years. And I'm reading from the website directly. And it says that exceptions may be considered on a case-by-case basis. Recipients receiving exceptions will be required to participate in additional community benefits programs. So yes, it's pretty much laid out right here on the website. Number 7, now pay all of the land transfer and registration fees. So quite simply, you will have to survey the land, or as it's said in Ghana, go to the Lands Commission and register the land. And that's about $700 to do that. And that is something that you pay directly to the Lands Commission. And even here in the U.S., we have to survey land. As a matter of fact, that's something that I happen to be going through now also, where I'm having to go and have land surveyed, and the fee is much more than it's twice as much as this to survey the land here. So that's just the normal things that you go through when you are either purchasing or you're buying land. Okay, number 8, break ground on their bill within 12 months of their acquisition. They want you to start building. Now, that does not mean that you have to have your home or your project completed within 12 months, but they would like you to break ground. That means to start. I know I've traveled to several countries, and I don't know if you've seen this, even in the U.S., how people will start building and they leave it abandoned and it's just standing there. So they don't want that. I get it. Number 9, present a token of appreciation to the chief. Now, I've heard people say, Hennessy, hey, that's not a big gift, thinking about what you're receiving, so it's all good with me. Number 10, it says, the offered land is designated for family legacy purposes and can only be liquidated or transferred through the designated Pan-African village process. They want you to come and build your family legacy, something to pass on to your children's children. They don't want you to come, receive the property, build and flip. There's opportunity for that, believe me, in Ghana, where you can invest and your money, you'll receive a nice return. So that's a different topic for a different day. But yes, Africa has many investment opportunities galore. Africa's rising. Yes. Okay, so now we're looking at the application that's on the website, just bits and pieces I've put up. And it's the basic one-page application. It's not too complicated, and it's very straightforward. It asks, of course, your name, date of birth, passport number. It asks your nationality, which was, for me, U.S., United States, however you want to put. They ask for your driver's license in the state, your educational level, also your marital status, if you're married or if you're single. It asks you the number of children. It asks your profession. It asks you why you are coming to Ghana. And it asks for a background check explanation. I know that they do ask for a background check. I guess that's something that you can do with one of the background checks online. And also they ask for the ancestry. I will keep you posted. If you follow as we do our journey, we'll be able to tell you more about the process and how it goes. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And my website is coming soon. But until then, you can DM me through my Facebook, African Travel and More, either on Instagram or Facebook. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so we can share the news with others who may be interested. And also reach out to me here on YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you and keep you, and thank you again. Until next time, be blessed.